The lush jungles of Africa enter the rainy season of the year. It's a vibrant world. Countless wild animals live here. And in the depths of the jungle, there is still the last one. Hadza, the original hunting department. Today I will follow them on their journey. Thin-faced live broadcast. It's too hot. Auntie is here. Hello, little cuties without real pictures. I am your top product. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to run in the wild today. Gone. Ah. It's tough, classmates. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Now we're off the bus. Follow our guide. Shit, these are all. What's the story? What do you see now? It's one of the Hazarabi Dulo tribes. They are the last people on the African continent to rely on hunting and gatherer tribes. You heard that tick? There's also the sound of a tongue popping. Is that their language? What do you mean? Yes, hello. Ah. This is their welcome. What do you mean? This is what they're wearing. It's not clothes. Animal fur. Dogs have dogs. Dogs have dogs. It's an animal, kind of like a cat. You see, this is. Wow, God. They learn from animals like this is a fox. You see this rock now, in front of the cave. It's all the skulls of Big Fist Forest. 3 roots. Wow. Just them. Here's how they look. Hey ha ha ha. The chief activated the summoning spell. Oh. Go high. This speed. Guys, how can I keep up? They echo each other with whistles. Now we're going into this kind of forest. Through this forest. Just move forward. He was going fast. What are they digging for? Bee honey. This honey is in the tree palace. I'll go. I'll go. Wow. Oh. I tell you, it's not honey. It's a bee chrysalis. Eat yes, that protein flavor is not sweet. It's like protein. Wow, they made that fire red. Oh, this is honey. What they dig inside is honey. It's so sweet. It's the flavor of a lot of flowers. The flavors are mixed together. That taste is very flavorful. Hey. It's all bees buzzing around. Keep going. We're walking into a riverbed. This used to be a river. It's dry now. What are these guys eating? This is a fruit. His leg is particularly large. It looks a bit like dried dates. It's sweet. They found animal footprints. Start looking. Oh my God, what did they catch? Wow, God. It's a bird, kind of like a pheasant. Bitten to death by a wild dog. Hi? I'm gonna see you enough. This is now ordering everyone to take a break. So tired. We've been walking for over 3 hours now. Now. They're going to rub it all over their hair. He gave me 2 ears with that hair. Wow. Look at my new hat. There's a lot of hair on it. So cute. This chicken should be delicious. A walking chicken in the true sense. The dogs had their ears bitten off. There's rope all over the eyes and nose. So when they are hunting animals, caused by animal counterattack, humans can't find anything and come out and sit for half a day. What's the point? The first piece of meat is cooked for the chief to eat. No, it's not that thing. Isn't it still raw? Just eat. I also said it was cooked for me to eat. They're almost finished giving birth. Oh my god. Highlight. The chicken is crunchy. The smell of blood is heavier. There is no salt or anything. Just pick it and eat it. Here are 2 loaves of bread. Give them some of the bread I brought over. The chief has the power to decide and distribute. They were all very primitive. Only the chief wants the first word. Let's continue to set off after eating and drinking. A snake is entangled in a tree. I'm going under there. What kind of egg is this? I just picked it up. It's a bird. It should be a bird's egg, really. Discover. What's all running? Okay. That. The little guy all jumped off here. I can't help it. Wait. More than 5 hours. Found nothing. He doesn't care about you at all, you know? They just hunt. Can't hit what they didn't eat. There is a deficiency next to it, saying that it hit a big fire. I'll take a look at what it is. This one shortcoming is far from one shortcoming. Another 2 hours. It's getting dark. Early, they have another deficiency. Just called back today. Oh, my God. This old bundle. This is Africa. Baldness. Bald crown him this bird. If the hole is high, it's about 1.2 to 1.3 meters. Hole. It's about 2.83 meters when you unfold it. He hangs out with vultures a lot. Oh, my God. Because his mouth is not standing up enough. The vulture has to take that. After the meat is bitten open, he can eat it. This feather is very long, and they use them for decoration. He hit one. Is this a bird that lives in water? You see, they're hanging on themselves. They fought with this sword. There is a piece of iron in front, and then there's a stick in the back. Once this iron is plunged into this bird, what? The iron will come out of the stick. Disengage and the bird flies and falls. His? Wow, their language is all whistles and that. Tongue. Ah. What little tongue sound in French? Someone else carried the bird and left. He didn't ask me to eat that bird either. Sleep, sleep. Everyone is tired and numb. Let's continue tomorrow. Yesterday was true. I really couldn't take it anymore. Then they went to fight and didn't fight. Today we can only continue to fight again. They're going to shake the water in this pond and drink the water. I'm not. Bro really drinks. That is... This water feels like muddy water. It's amazing. It's amazing. But there's nothing pure about it. Water or something. That's all there is to it. Puddles of dirty water and drink. I saw it this morning. We are at the Damon headquarters. On that ground, there are the footprints of that wild boar. They're now sending someone in to take a look. Because it's possible that the wild boar is sleeping. What? Something seems to be hiding in a hole below. Went inside. They told me to stop. Let me show you. Did you see it in that place? We're filming that hole. I don't know what it is in that hole. What? His people have already drilled into the hole there. You see, there's another person waiting there. There should be another port over there. I started teaching myself. What does it look like? My dad is from the land. Wow. I'll go. Wow. Whoa, oh my God. Yeah. They sleep here. It took 2 hours to get him out. Wow. I'll carry it back. Wow, this pig. Wow, it took me 2 days to get such a pig. Students, don't forget to like and follow. I'm going to eat it right away, that pig. Wow. This pig hair is directly burnt. It's too wild. I had a pig killing feast in Sichuan before. Melon pigs now come to Africa and want melon pigs too. Now the chief starts dealing with the pig. The picture is too beautiful, so I won't show it to you. After catching such a large prey, they'll put this on site. Prey dealt with. Eat part. Then I will bring most of them back. That said, wild boars are very difficult to beat, because they also like to eat that pig. Because pigs have fat. Many animals that live in this tropical place, they are actually very thin. It's all the shit in their guts. They clean it up. This is 4. We still feed them to the hounds. That numbface is biting that pig mark. Wow. So hot. It's pig liver, Bubs. I ate the old wild one, just like the chicken yesterday. My classmate, is he going up the tree? This tree must be 20 or 30 meters high. What is he doing climbing up? It's dangerous. This tree is particularly smooth. The chief said to collect branches. Just because there is a hole in the top of that tree. And he put the bottle down the hole. You can take out the water. Pork chops are delicious. Oh, it's so cool. Wow, this smells good. Students, this smells good. I'm hungry. Are you ripe? There's no cooking, but it's delicious. But I don't think it smells fishy at all. There is no fishy fragrance at all. There's no smell of blood, because they were busy and dealt with it. Pass the level. And now they're going to eat some of this liver. Growing up gave me the best part. Like this one. He gave me the edge of that pig liver. It's not as scary as I imagined. The palm of your hand decides the distribution of that meat. That's him. Who did he cut it off for? Who can take it and then eat it? The chief will put some better parts. Wear it like this. Take it back and feed it to their children. Ups, it's awesome. Cool, cool, cool. They started packing up their bows and arrows. A day of hunting is over. I'm ready. Say goodbye to this deficiency here. See you. Hey, bye.